Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to edit a Threads post after posting it. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Threads application on our mobile phone if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you can do is go to the App Store, and from there you can search for Threads, download the application, open it up and log into your Instagram account that you're using. So once you have done so, you'll be greeted by this main page. This is the home page of the Threads application that's going to look like this, where you can browse all the threads made by people, and right here at the bottom of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as for posting a new thread. In the middle of the page, as you can see, the big plus button, we have our profile right here in the bottom right corner, and now we can get started. So you can see here I have already posted a thread. I have made a thread right here 2 minutes ago that I can now edit. So to be able to edit a thread that you have already posted is very easy, and all you have to do is just click the three dots right here next to the thread at the right corner. So in the right corner, by clicking the three dots, it's going to open up this new menu where one of the options is going to be called edit. So by clicking the edit option, it's going to enable you to edit your thread. You can input whatever you want, you can change it to whatever you want, and once you're done, so you can just click the done button right here, and by clicking done, it's automatically going to go ahead and apply those changes and edit the thread for you. So you have a limited time that you can do so after posting a thread, so make sure to be fast if you want to edit it and not let it go past too much. But yeah, basically that's how you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.